So I've just had this new Takoto Hot End arrive in the mail. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I think it's a Māori word. So yeah, I haven't seen really any YouTube videos at all actually on this Hot End. So I just wanted to do, I guess, an unboxing video and kind of show what you get at least. Okay, well this is a nice 3D printed case, so that's nice. How do we open this? There we go. I like this already. Nice 3D printed case. Oh, got a couple little stickers. Oops. Nice. Oh, this thing is, it's a premium Hot End, I would say. Very nice. It's got this copper heatsink. There's a lot of titanium parts on this. I don't know why my camera keeps doing that focus thing. So I haven't ordered I have ordered the fan, but I haven't ordered it from these guys. I wanted to get a 12 volt version and they have a 24 volt version, so this thing uses quite a high powered Delta fan. And I haven't got a nozzle yet. But yeah, oh, what have I lost? Uh-oh. OM 2.5 mounting screw, I think. Yeah. So yeah, there's these titanium standoffs, which is awesome because titanium has low heat conductivity. I like this silicon heat sock as well. It just looks cool. I mean, obviously it's going to be functional as well, but it just, I mean, honestly, a big part of the reason I bought this is because it looks freaking awesome. It's a unique design. It's made in Australia, or it's definitely designed in Australia. I think it's probably made in Australia as well, some of it at least. So that's cool. Obviously, we've got the dual heater cartridge slots there. So this can obviously melt a lot of material. I don't know how this works. I think maybe that tightens up once you screw in the nozzle. I think that's how that works. Yeah, so I might even just quickly weigh it, just for interest's sake. So that's 41.7, you can't see, 41.7 grams there. It's silicon sock, or 45.8. And yeah, I mean, I haven't got everything to put it together yet, but just an easy comparison, like that's 36.4 grams. That does have the nozzle in there. So I mean, it's not even that heavy. Not really. Very nice. Looking forward to when I can actually test this. But for now, that's just you know, an unboxing. Because as I say, I haven't seen one on YouTube yet, so kind of gives you an idea of what that is. Thanks for watching.